Hi, good morning everyone. This is Jignu, your new teacher, not new, old only, but for your class, I'm the first taking the science subject. Okay, how are you all? I hope you are also fine. So now we'll discuss in this class our environment. Means our environment. Our environment means surrounding whatever is there. See, for example, near your house. For example, our house or our school. See, our school surroundings full. There are so many types of things is there. So near your school, what is there? Trees, plants, rocks, animals, birds, flowers, everything is be there. So many kinds of things is there. So in that things, they are all helpful to us, they are all useful to us. So in these things we will consider as there are two types of things. Like one is natural things, natural, and another one is man-made things, man-made things. Okay, so now we will learn about the natural things. What do you mean by natural things? The natural things means the naturally occurring in the nature. So natural ಆಗಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸನ್, ಮೂನ್, clouds, rocks, plants are all natural things. Why ma'am this is natural thing means? Why? Because they are naturally occurring in the nature. If we want rock, so we'll put one rock, again the rock will come? No. So that's why the sun, moon, stars, clouds, everything will be natural things. Okay? Example, natural ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು natural things ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Sun, moon, clouds, then rocks, mountains, rivers, seas, like that so many things is there. That is called natural things. Now we will move to man-made things. Man-made things means what? The things which made by man. For example, book. See, this is a book. Who made this book? Man only. Our human beings only made this book. See here, pouch and duster, chalk piece, even our houses, even our school buildings, books, anything, benches, tables, whatever is there in your home like sofa, TV, everything will be made by man. So now human beings ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಸನ್, ಮೂನ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇದು ನಾವು ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಂತೆ, ಕಾರ್, ಬೈಕ್, ಸೈಕಲ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಮೇಡ್ ದೆಮ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ನೌ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, book, pen, pencil, etc. Okay? Okay. Now, next we will move to living and non-living things. Now, see this? You understood? No? Natural things means the things which occurring in nature. By naturally it will occur in the nature are called natural things. Example, sun, moon, clouds, etc. Next, the man-made things. Man-made things is nothing but the things which is made by man. That's why called man-made things. Example, anything, book, pen, pencil, everything will come. Next, we will move to living things and non-living things. Now we will study the living and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Okay children, see now there is two types. One is living things and another one is non-living things. So many things around us, like now if you are in home, so you will see your mother, father all around. There are so many is there, so many people is there with your family. So they are all living things. Living things means what? First, the things which have life in them. For example, when we breathe, we have life, right? If you are breathing or not, what you have to check? You have to check your heartbeat. Anybody's. You can take your left hand side and you should keep your left hand on your chest. You just remember, you just think that the sound will be there. So when we are silently, we are sitting in the room, that time you can check. If it is in traffic, we cannot we cannot hear our heartbeat sound. Okay, so living things means what? The living things which have life in them, they are called living things. Living things have life in them. They are called living things. Example ಏನು ನಾವೇ man, woman, then man, woman, ant, even ant also living thing. Then birds, animals, all they are all living things. Why? Because they are living things. Because they have life. They have life in them. They will born and they will die. That's why they are called as living things. Understood? Now we will move on to the non-living things. What do you mean by the non-living things? Non-living things means the things which they do not have life at all. For example, table, chair, see, duster, book. This is a book. This is a non-living thing. Only which thing have life? They are called living things. See here, this is a chalk piece. This chalk piece, they don't have life. That's why it is a non-living thing. And see here, if you keep this book here in any one classroom, after 10 years, or you can come and look, the book will be like this only. After 10 years, after 100 years, anytime you can come and see, the book will be like this only. The book will not grow, the book will nothing. So how it is like that only after some years. For example, see, now you are in, for example, any one child in LKG. So when he was in LKG, this table, it should be here in this room. Okay, after that, after 10 years, that LKG student will go to the 10th standard. That time also he will come and see the table is like this only. ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗ್ರೋನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? Because that is a non-living thing. That's why. Understood? Now we will see the features of non-living things. Here I write non-living things means do not have life. Do not have life in them. They are called non-living things. Example: book, pen, clothes, what we are wearing. So clothes, then table, etc. So they are non-living things. So now what we studied? Living and non-living things. Living things means they have life in them, and non-living things means they do not have life in them. And here the living things examples: man, woman, anything. So non-living things example: book, pen, clothes, table, chair, paper, everything. Okay? Okay. Now we will study about the features of living things. Okay? Now living things have some features. So what is the difference between the living things? Living things ke non-living things ke difference ಏನು? So first one, living things can breathe. First feature is living thing can breathe. For example, breathe means what? Breathe means ಉಸಿರಾಡೋದು. So ಎಲ್ಲಾ living things ಗೂ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I mean ನಾವು ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ನೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ನಾವು ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮಲಗಿರೋ ನಾಯಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್. ವೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಡಾಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈ, ಸೊ ದ ಡಾಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ ಡಾಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ die. So living things can breathe. So human beings can breathe through our nose. We have nose to breathe. That's right. And also plants will also breathe. You know, plants will also breathe. So how plants will also breathe means by through stomata. So small holes in there. So here leaf is there like this. Okay. In this leaf we will see small holes. We cannot see through our naked eyes. When we keep this leaf through the microscope, we can see the small holes. We call it as stomata. So it look like this. So this is called stomata. Idu idara holes irutte aa leaf alli, but ನಾವು naked ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, but we can see in the microscope. So the plants also can breathe. So this is the proof. Okay. Next, fish also can breathe. Yes, all animals can breathe, and even the fish also can breathe. How fish will breathe? The fish will breathe through gills. Fish will breathe through gills. See? So this is a fish. Okay. So this is a fish. The fish also can breathe. How it will breathe means they have gills here. So there are some opening is there. Two sides also opening is there. So when it is in water, so it will open their gills and it will close. It will breathe through their gills. And also, so in this what we will know? The living things can breathe. So living things can breathe. And human beings can breathe through our nose, and plants also can breathe through stomata. I told no, in leaf small pores is there, so that small pores are called as stomata. Okay, see here, this is leaf. Already you see leaf, so many types of leaves is there. So in this leaf what we have to do? So we will pluck like this small piece. Okay, so like this we will pluck, and afterwards some peel is there, white color peel is there. So that peel we should remove, and we should keep in the microscope. Where it is? In our school only, where in the science lab we have microscope. So in that microscope we will keep this peel. So there you can see the stomata like openings. Means there are so many stomatas is there. In that one millions of stomatas is there. But we cannot see, right? Yes. But here non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Why non-living things they do not have breathe? Why? Because non-living things they don't have life. That's why. So here see, here pouch is there, it will not breathe. Chalk piece is there, it will not breathe. And table, chair, windows, doors, it will not breathe at all. Why? Because these are all non-living things. Okay, understood? Okay, now next feature we can move to the next feature. Next feature is nothing but living things can grow. So living things can grow. Okay, so living things can grow. It means that a baby will grow up to a child. Okay, after a child will grow a young man or young woman. After that and then an old man. Like for example, if you are also when you born small baby, after one month, so 1 month extending like that only. So 5 years, 3 years, 2 years ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ನೀವು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ In our school, you can see LKG student, UKG student, first standard, second standard, up to 10th standard. So in this LKG, we have small children, and even if you have pre-KG student also, you can see small children. So after some years, they are growing. They are growing. So LKG, UKG, first standard, like that. When their classes will grow, like that only their heights also grow. So up to certain age, we are all human beings can grow. So have you seen the bat or doll grow in size? Have you seen? So when you are in LKG, so your father or mother will brought any one toy. For example, ball. So a ball ಅವಾಗ ತಂದಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗವರೆಗೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ತರ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೆಳಿತೀರೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬಾಲು ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So only living things can grow, and even a puppy also grow into a dog. Okay. Next, non-living things they do not grow. So non-living things do not grow. Why? Non-living things they don't have life. That's why they do not grow. So see, for example, duster. When it will small, so like this only. So it will not grow. Anything, any other non-living things also cannot grow.